Hey, what's going on, dudes and dudettes? This is Pip Surfer with another daily update for the Cowabunga system. Today is Tuesday, November 25th, 2008. Hope you all had a great weekend, and I know it's been a while since I last posted, but if you heard my last update, I was getting a puppy, and we actually got her, and we named her Marley, and she's really, really cute. So I've been really busy with that, hence the no posting, but things have kind of settled down. You may hear her whimper in the background. I do have her in her kennel, but she may cry, so please excuse me for that. But I will go ahead and try to get through this update without her making too much distractions. So I'm going to go ahead and get right into it. I have my 15-minute, my 4-hour chart. So let's just go to our 4-hour chart and take a look at our main trend. You can see that our last trend change candle was on the 23rd of November, and since then we have not had any new trend change candles, which means that we were only looking for long trades because the trend was an uptrend, and that was pretty much how you determine the trend. Pretty simple, right? So now we just go to our 15-minute chart. Remember, we're only looking for long trades, and I'm going to move it back to just before midnight. And before we start our trading, we got to take a look at our news events for the day. So you can go to babypips.com and click on this Tools tab, and you'll see all the news events for today. And remember, we're looking for news that only affects the sterling or the dollar. And you can see at 4:45 we had MPC Treasury Committee hearings, and that was for the UK. And at 8:30 we had the GDP preliminary for the dollar. And then at 10 a.m. we had consumer confidence for the dollar. So those were the three news events to watch out for at 4:45, 8:30, and 10 o'clock. So those were time areas that we would be careful of. So now my chart is at 11:45 p.m. and now I'm about to start my trading day. And I'll move my chart one candle at a time, and I'll just show you what it looks like while I trade. You can see right here we have a crossover. And now all we got to do, I know it's very hard to tell, but I zoomed in up there, and it is an actual crossover. We have RSI above 50, stochastics trending up, and MACD is negative and gaining value, so this is a valid entry. So we would just enter at the close of this candle, which is at 51.24. Our stops at the most recent swing low at 50.83, and our near 0.50 level is here at 51.50. So now we can just move forward. You see that our target was hit there, but we did not get a clean break of our target, so we went ahead and exited the trade. And I don't know why I'm saying we, I meant I am exiting the trade, but that's what you should be doing. So exit the trade here. If you can't get right out at 51.50, that's fine. Just know that, you know, this is just supposed to alert you that, hey, your target was hit, but momentum's not going in your favor. Get out now. So I happen to get out at 51.43, which is not quite 51.50, but still a small profit, which is okay. And now we can just continue to move forward. And remember, we are only looking for long trades, and it's about 2:15 right here. Here we get a crossover at 3. Okay, RSI is above 50, stochastics trending up. Now MACD, you can't see it, but it pretty much went from very, very slightly negative to positive. I know it's really hard to see, but it's very just slightly negative. So this is still a valid entry here. So we would enter at the close of this candle at 51.36. Again, our stop would be the most recent swing low. This time it's at 50.65. And again, the most nearest 50 or 0 level is right here at 51.50. And our news isn't until 4:45, so we're okay here. And now we just continue to move the chart forward. And again, our target was hit, but it did not make a clean break, so we are alerted, and we know momentum's not in our favor, so now we just manually exit the trade. This time I got out at 51.45, so a little quicker with my mouse trigger. But again, another small profit, and we'll just continue to move on. Remember, we're only looking for long trades, but this time it's 4:30, so we're not even going to enter a trade if we saw one. Here, it's 4:45. This is the news candle, and we'll just continue to move the chart forward. excuse me, here we come back, we get another crossover. This is at 7 a.m. RSI is above 50, stochastics trending up, MACD has gone from negative to positive. This is another valid entry. So now we would enter at the close of the candle right here. That's at 51.08. Our stops at the most recent swing low at 50.54, and our nearest 50 or 0 levels at 51.50. And so now we just let the trade continue, and you can see that we get stopped out here at 7:45. So we're out of the trade, and we just continue to move on with our day. Try to keep the emotions out of it. And here we get a crossover. All the indicators line up, but this is the 8:30 candle, so it's a news candle. So because of that, we don't enter, because news candles are unpredictable, and sometimes they cause movement that's not really the true movement of the current trend. So no entry there. And in this case, the price did go up a little bit from that news candle, but that was pretty much the rest of the day. No other signals there, but hopefully you caught the same things I did. I know, see, when I zoom out of the chart, you can see that there's very little movement here until the 8:30 candle. So regardless, we were still able to make a few trades there. Hopefully it's just good practice for you. Remember to stay disciplined in the system. I'm going to try to post again tomorrow. I will not trade Thanksgiving Day, and again I'll try to post on Friday, the day after Thanksgiving. So hopefully your trading is going well, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask them on the blog, and I will try to answer them as best as possible. But until then, have a great day, everybody. Cowabunga, dudes.